Now let us solve another question on cache memory, which was given in GATE 2017, set 1, 1 mark. Okay, let us have a look at this question. Consider a two-level cache hierarchy with L1 and L2 caches. An application incurs 1.4 memory accesses per instruction and an average. For this application, the miss rate of L1 cache is 0.1. The L2 cache experiences, on an average, 7 misses per 1000 instructions. The miss rate of L2 expressed corrected to 2 decimal places is what? Okay, now first understand this question. We are given two-level cache, that is L1 and L2. One application is getting executed. Okay, 1.4 memory access. When this application gets executed, 1.4 memory access per instruction it will take. One instruction, if you want to execute, it will take on an average 1.4 memory accesses. Okay, for this application, the miss rate of L1 is equal to 0.1. L2 cache experiences on an average 7 misses per 1000 instructions. Now, what is the miss rate of L2? Let us have a look at it. If you can see this question is talking about 1000 instruction execution. So the application does contain about 1000 instructions. Okay, now let us solve this. See, L1 hit rate is equal to 90%, right? The miss rate of L1 is equal to 0.1. So the hit rate of L1 is equal to 0.9, right? L1 hit rate is equal to 0.9. So hit ratio is equal to 90%. This is hit ratio. Okay, which means that when you execute anything, 90% of the instructions or the data elements will be available within L1 itself. Okay, now just go for the instruction execution. One instruction is equal to one instruction will take 1.4 memory accesses. Memory access, right? That means that 1000 instructions will take 1400 memory accesses. 1000 instructions, as given in the question, will take, if each instruction takes 1.4, total 1000 instruction will take 1400 memory accesses. Okay, but there is level 1 and there is level 2. Okay, now level 1 will have a 90% hit rate. 90% hit rate. Okay, so 90% meaning out of 1400 memory accesses, 90% will be found out in L1 itself, right? Okay, that is out of 1000 instructions, 900 instructions will be available in L1 itself. Okay, so 1400, 90% meaning 1260. Total 1260 will be available in L1 itself. That is 100 instructions, 900 instructions, which is equal to 90% out of total 1000 instruction, are going to incur 1260 memory access, which are available in L1 itself. Okay, remaining 140, for the remaining 140 we are going to L2 cache. For the remaining 140 we are going to L2 cache. Okay, the miss rate is equal to, on an average, 7 misses per 1000 instructions. Okay, but out of 1000, 900 instructions are available within L1 itself, right? Out of 1000, 900 instructions are available within L1 itself. Only for the remaining 100 instructions, which takes 140 memory access, because one instruction is equal to 1.4 memory access, mind you. 900 instructions are available here. That is, 900 instructions incurs 1260 memory access. Those are available in cache 1 itself. Only for the remaining 100 instructions, which consumes 140 memory access, we will go to L2. So that is, out of 1000, 7 misses. Meaning, but actually when it comes to the level 2 cache, only 140 memory access, right? Only out of 140, there will be 7 misses. Okay, so 140, 7 out of 140 is equal to 0.05. The rate is equal to 0.05 is the correct answer. The option is 0.05. One important advice in solving this question is, you don't need to see 7 out of 1000, because when you consider 1000 instructions, some instructions are available in L1 itself. How many? 90%. Did you get it? Out of 1000, 90%. Those are equal to 900. These 900 instructions are available in L1 itself, because 90% of the hit rate. Okay, so only for the remaining 100, we go to L2 cache. These 100 instructions are going to incur 140 memory access. So only out of 140, you are going to check and identify what are the total number of misses. The total number of misses out of 140 is equal to 7. So the rate will be equal to 0.05. That is the correct answer. Okay.